Hi, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. We got another car here for us to review today. This is a 1964 Ford Mustang. It's recently been restored here at the shop over the last couple of years. This was one that had to be taken down all the way to the bare metal, had a lot of body repair, rust, and things on the exterior that needed to be updated and fixed before we could get some paint on this one. It's done in a nice white with a red interior. You can see the website for more photographs of the before pictures, but take my word for it, it was in pretty bad shape when we got the car. Amazing what 50-60 years can do to these cars, but we can get them back looking good, showroom new again. All it takes is a little time and a budget, and we can work with you guys on getting your Mustang up to the level that you want to have it out there on the road. Just give us a call at 469-323-7799 or visit our website at mannycar.com, and that's MANNYCAR.com. Just a pretty little 64 that we just had road tested this week. Several times we take it out on the road and make notes of anything that we need to get repaired on it. Check for oil leaks and all the different fluid leaks that you potentially can have on these cars, and tighten up everything, make sure everything is roadworthy. Yeah, and one of my favorite things to do is look under the hood on these restored cars and see all the details of the hard work that we've put into replacing all the mechanical parts on these engines and in the engine bay itself. You see, we put that nice semi-gloss black epoxy paint for the engine compartments, and it holds up really well over the years and the dust and road grime that collects on these cars. Just need a simple wash, and it'll look just as good as it does right now. This one has power steering, as you can see there. Not a whole lot of options. It was a pretty base car. Again, this is the first introductory year, so there wasn't a whole lot of options. A lot of dealer added items that can be added on, like the reverse lights on this car. Very unique features that are on the first production year of the Mustang make it a little bit more collectible than some of the other ones. But this is a great example of the kind of work that we can do here at Classic Auto Repair. We'll be delivering this car to the customer here in the next week. Just a few more road tests and making sure that everything is reliable before we get these cars back into the hands of the owners. And thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.